Pierre Ferragu, New Street research analyst. He was on the Broadcom call yesterday. Pierre, great to have you with us. Scott and I were just discussing, obviously when you talk AI, you have to bring in Nvidia as the comparison. So how does this stack up on evaluation? Does Nvidia just look like the better play despite the valuation because of the results that Broadcom put up?
Yes, if you put like Nvidia and Broadcom in comparison, AI exposure to Broadcom is only 15% of revenues today. So that's 1/7 of the total Broadcom. And that part of the business at Broadcom is more or less expected to double between this year and next year. And that's where you see expectations for Nvidia trending as well in their data center business. But today, the data center business of Nvidia is a vast majority of what they do. So Nvidia remains a much more concentrated AI play. And I think this difference between the two is very well reflected in valuations. You see on this chart, Broadcom went from like the 700s to the 900s, going through like the market realizing this massive AI upside across the market. So that's like, the stock being up like about 15%. And so that's kind of like the AI opportunity doubling in value at Broadcom. And when you see Nvidia is almost exclusively AI. And so the overall stock doubles in value. So it's really a question of how far and how much you want to get exposed to. Now, the thing I would like to highlight is that, a couple of weeks ago when Nvidia reported, the stock was up 15% after hours, but it lost all its gains the next day. So there is like a theme that goes across Nvidia and Broadcom, which is what's next? Because like AI becomes like a double sword kind of game where it's a huge upside this year, it's a huge upside next year, with a visibility that we've almost never had in this industry. We know almost for sure these numbers are going to be gigantic. But what's very interesting that we have no idea what's happening in 2025. And the way I interpret this direction, the way the market reacts to these earnings, is that this deadline is getting closer. We're like, yes, 2024, we get it, but what's next? And that's a conversation we had with Hock-Tan, the CEO of Broadcom last night. And really, the reality is that nobody knows. It's like now everybody's focused, all efforts are focused on going very fast and delivering 2024. But what happens in 2025, it's too early to say, even for people who are very close to what's happening in the market.
How optimistic are you about the VMW closing, which I guess we have a date on of later in October?
Yes, I think it's like, to me, that's a big thing that really excites me about Broadcom. It's way more interesting than AI. I don't want to downplay AI, of course. Like it's seeing 15% of your business doubling is a good thing. But for VMware, to me, in the last 5 years, Broadcom has really, done the legwork of learning how to acquire software assets and bring them together on a platform, the way they've done it for the last 15 years in the semiconductor industry. And there are a lot of similarities on, how to make that very successful. First acquisitions were relatively narrow, serving a small number of companies. VMware is a game changer because VMware is a technology that is core to 80% of the Fortune 2000 companies. It's like a very, very deeply penetrated technology. It's like a Microsoft technology. It's like a Cisco technology. And so the way I see this acquisition is that once VMware is part of the Broadcom platform, Broadcom gets in the software world in a league in which you have like a Microsoft, you have a Cisco. And honestly, that's about it. And that league is defined by the ability of these companies to sell into the world's largest enterprises. And so once VMware is on board, I think Broadcom has an opportunity to grow organically the software assets they already have on board, and most importantly, grow inorganically, add software assets to their platform. And, in a world in which Cisco is moving their technology to software-defined and to a subscription model, in which Microsoft is investing a lot in their cloud platform and generative AI, Broadcom is going to become a similar platform with like a massive opportunity to actually bring together very mature software assets that have a high value in which you can still invest in research and development and grow. And yeah, I see more value in the long run, like in the next, on a 3 to 5 year horizon, in that aspect of the Broadcom story than AI from the huge upside we already know of and that is already in the stock.